In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform photos with Grok AI Ghibli-style 2026. If you've ever wanted your everyday photos to look like a whimsical animation cell, this is a quick, simple way to get there. We'll keep it straightforward and clear so you can follow along in real time. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a regular image and give it that soft storybook charm inspired by classic animation aesthetics. Think gentle colors, clean shapes, and a cozy cinematic mood. First, open your web browser and go to grok.com. You'll land on the main interface, which looks like a chat window with a text box at the bottom. This is where you'll interact with Grok. Give the page a moment to load so all the buttons and menus appear. You should see an option to attach files near the message area. We'll use that in just a second. Before moving on, make sure the photo you want is easy to find on your device, desktop, downloads, or your camera roll, so you don't break your flow hunting for it. Next, click on Attach. A file picker will open, letting you select the image you want to transform. Choose a clear, well-lit photo for the best results. JPG and PNG tend to work great, and higher resolution generally preserves more detail in the final look. If the subject is a person, make sure the face is visible and not cropped too tightly. If it's a landscape or object, try to pick something with a strong silhouette, so the stylized lines and colors read well. After selecting the file, confirm the upload and wait for it to appear in the chat box preview. Now, in the message field, type exactly. Enhance this image to a Ghibli-style art. You can keep it short like that. Grok understands the direction. Press enter to send your message with the attached image. Give it a moment to process. Rendering can take a bit depending on image size and server load. When the result appears, look for that hallmark painterly feel, softer shading, simplified textures, and a warm palette. If the first version feels too intense or too subtle, you can refine your prompt by adding gentle guidance like keep colors soft or preserve facial features, then send it again with the same image attached. That's it. Go to Grok, attach your image, and type enhance this image to a Ghibli-style art. Follow these steps, and you'll turn ordinary photos into charming animation-inspired artwork in minutes.